comes to spoken English, so we always face fear. So, do you also faced any kind of fear before starting speaking?
Yes, ma'am, I have lots of fear. If in fact whenever I'm
Okay.
connect with video call, that time I have lots of fear. And yeah, but I don't know how to overcome.
Yes. So, what are you doing to overcome on that fear?
Firstly, I just mind make up that today I'm going to connect with this one and that one. So I have asked this and that. But whenever I am came here, just I'm
You
trying to
just
do my
put a
best.
simple roadmap with you, है ना? You just
Yes,
put a simple roadmap with you that what kind of questions you are going to put up.
yes, yes.
Yes.
So,
This is also good. And apart from that, if you want to overcome your fear, you can do one thing. You can make your on 2 minutes video. That is also going to give you great help because when need not to upload that video, just make a 2 minutes or 5 minutes video and try to speak on any topic of your choice. And
hmm.
after that. Give feedback to yourself that how I am speaking, what kind of mistakes I am doing, and how to overcome on that. So, by simply you will find that in drips and drabs, you are just removing those mistakes.
Yes, yes, ma'am, that's it. Yeah, I am doing sometimes. I just record myself. So, I recording, if we are record ourselves, so there are many benefits. Like in this way, we
Hmm.
are observing that where we are lacking ourselves and where we have to work upon it. So, yeah, I am doing this thing as well. But yeah, day by day, I will improve myself if I if I'm doing this
Yeah.
thing consistency. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, how many kids do you have?
I have two sons. My elder son is class 11th and younger one is in class 6th. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Okay. And ma'am, what about your strength and weakness?
My strength and weakness. My strength is that whatever difficulties I face, I think that I am quite able to resolve them by myself, and my weakness is that I can believe easily on other persons. So sometimes it becomes a hurdle for my life
Yes,
because
yes.
it should not be our behavior should not be like that, no, that we can believe anyone or anything easily. And when it comes to say yes or no, so it is really very difficult to say no to others. If
Hmm.
anybody just gave me one work that you are expected to do this, so it is really very hard to say no to that particular person. And by the result it happens that we have burden of lots of work. Yes.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, you are a teacher and you
Hmm.
know about this language very well. So,
Hmm.
y- so what do you do for learning this language? Because you already know most of the things, everything I can say. So, what do you do?
So actually, it's not like that. I consider myself as a learner only because I know I'm also making lots of mistakes somewhere here and there. But I'm just working on that, and apart from that, I'm working on my voice modulation as well because sometimes I go very fast, sometimes I go very slow. So I just want to speak in a proper sweet tone. Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, what do you do for that?
Yeah, I'm doing practice every day. Yes.
Okay. Like audio call or listening part.
Mostly it is with the shadowing. So
Okay.
shadowing helps a lot when we are working on our voice modulation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And I also heard about that if you are doing shadowing practice, so in this way you get wonderful pronunciation.
Because we know we know well that what kind of proper words we are supposed to speak and what is the right pronunciation. And apart from that, we just knowingly or unknowingly we just accept their accent as well sometimes,
Yes.
and it becomes automatically.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and day
we are
by day
not
our
supposed to learn something.
yeah, and day by day our tongue fluctuate those pronunciation. Because
Mm,
earlier we feel that no, I am not able to speak. But
mm,
just because of shadowing practice, gradually we speak very easily. Like yesterday,
yes.
I learned the word is drastically, exuberantly flabbergasted. It means हक्का बक्का रह जाना.
Flabbergasted, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yes, yes,
initially, I
yes.
feel that this word is very difficult. But after doing
Hmm.
shadowing practice, I easily get wonderful pronunciation of this word. So yeah, I feel that it is a kind of exercise as well, mouth exercise.
Hmm. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing perfectly fine.
Okay. So yeah, before we
So,
start this session, could you introduce yourself?
yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Geeta Thakur. I reside in Uttarakhand, Kashipur. And as far as my qualification is concerned, so I'm MA in English and I am a teacher in a private school. Simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel named Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am. That's little bit about me.
Yes, yes, that's great. And if I'm talking about my introduction, so I am Manu from basically I'm from Bihar, but I was brought up in Delhi and right now I live in Greater Noida. And I have completed my graduation and post graduation in political science subject. And if I'm talking about my hobbies, so my hobbies are teaching, dancing, traveling, and nowadays connect with different people in this language. So I love to learn this language as well. And yeah, that's all about my side. And yes, I'm a mother of toddler and I'm a homemaker.
Wow,
Yeah.
great. So it means you would be on your toes since morning till night.
Yeah, yes, I'm trying to do my best. But yeah, because I'm very passionate about this language. So my passion is pushed me go out of my comfort zone and learn.
That's great. There should
Yeah.
be something or the other that keep you motivated. Suppose if we don't have any prominent why, so we don't learn anything easily. But when we think, yes, there is something I have to do this, or I have to do my best in my life, so we do our work on extra level.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And just because of my learning purpose, I'm also created my YouTube channel because of my consistency and it make myself, in a creative way. That's why I feel that if I create my YouTube channel, so I will easily connect with this language or I will, make my consistency as well. So that's why I started my YouTube channel as well and trying to day by day to connect with people on video call because after audio call I am comfortable. I don't have any kind of hesitation whenever I'm connected with
Hmm.
audio call. But whenever it is come to connect on video call, that time I stuck myself. And I feel that what should I have to ask? So I have to overcome my this problem as well. That's why I am connected on video call as well.
Okay, great. First of all, I would say congratulations to you that you have started your YouTube channel. This would
Thank you.
be the medium that will keep you motivated, and at the same time, it will maintain your consistency as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
But,
ma'am. Thank you
I
so
think
much.
whatever you have chosen, great. Yes.
Yes, actually recently I started my channel. So yeah, because I thought I because I always thought that I have to upload my videos, so I have to connect with learners, people. So
Yes.
yeah, this thing is push me go and start connected with. So in this way, I am doing my practice as well. So that's why.
So, what kind of videos are you uploading on your channel?
Nowadays, I'm uploading. Firstly, in a short, I'm just uploading. Initially, I uploading my journey that how I am able to speak this language, which method
Hmm.
I was applying, and what about my earlier stage, and now what about. today's, what is the difference between
Mm.
this thing I was uploading. Then when but that time I don't didn't know about the video call conversation. Then gradually I learned that how to connect, how to do record, and how to do editing. Still I am learning that about editing. It is very challenging task. So yeah, then after now I am uploading conversational videos, but
See,
some technical issues in my laptop. That's why it is not transferred to my phone as well in the before 2 days. Otherwise earlier I easily
okay.
I was transferred, but yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, fine. Yeah,
Yes.
actually, as you have started, and nothing is impossible when you are determined, so you can learn each and everything. As you have started editing and other parts, so when we are in need, so we can learn easily, because
Yeah.
that time we don't have any other option, so we have
Mm.
to do something by our own, or if there is any helping hand, so it's very good. But if it is not there, so we should not stop, we should
Yes.
start by our own. Yes,
Yes, yes, yeah. And
efforts
also,
make everything easy.
yes, absolutely. And many people they said that you are living joint family, you have toddler, but still you are learning. How is it possible for you? How do you get a free time? But I am saying that everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. That's all about my side.
Really wonderful quote you are spoken.
Yeah, yeah.
Wonderful. Yes.
So that's why.
Always keep motivated by your own. There should be nothing. If your motivation is from inside, so you will think that you are caliber to do each and everything. Yes, and
Yeah.
that time these kind of hindrance don't stop us.
Absolutely. And also, whenever I'm connected with learners and people, so I feel very energetic. And I feel that I have to
Mm.
once again connect because I enjoyed a lot in this way. So, yeah,
Okay.
it's
So
curiosity always.
since how long you are in this channel, your channel? Means
Recently,
when did you start your YouTube channel?
before 2 months ago, I started, but not with consistency. But I am trying consistency. But yes, whenever I'm getting
Yeah.
free time and what.
Actually, you have just take the bull by the horns. Now you can do each and everything, because we need to put our best foot forward, and when we do our best, so we are also supposed to get best result.
Yes, ma'am, that's great and thank you. Yeah, so ma'am, what about your hobbies?
Yeah. When it comes to my hobbies, I
एक
love
सेकंड मैम
gardening,
समवन एक
reading.
सेकंड मैम एक सेकंड सॉरी सॉरी फॉर दैट एक सेकंड हाँ sorry for that my father-in-law was calling me that's why I did. Okay, now continue.
Yes, when it comes to my hobbies, so I love reading books, gardening, and apart from that, yoga is my core of interest. Yeah, that I do on every single day,
Okay,
no
that's great.
matter what.
Yeah, recently I was also I'm also started reading because earlier I don't know I don't like read book, but when I heard about that if you start reading book then you will learn more and more. So recently I
Hmm.
started Sudha Murthy book. So yeah, little bit I'm enjoying
That's
and
great.
getting free time for learn for read this book as well.
Amazing. Because Murthy ma'am's book is quite understandable and comprehensible for beginners, and it gives us a good vocabulary that is very beneficial, lucrative for our day-to-day life. Really.
Yes, yes, yes. And you know, if I'm talking about my school and college time, that time reading book was very challenging task for me, and I don't
Mm.
want to read. But yes, yes,
Yes, reading is the thing that it is not the cup of everyone's tea. Yeah.
एक सेकंड अरे यार हेलो नहीं अभी नहीं देना Sorry for that, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes it happens.
Yes.
So I just want to know, as you are learning English and you are a mother of a toddler, so how do you manage each and everything, your motherhood and your learning stage?
Yes, ma'am. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that I live in joint family. So, in this
Mm,
way, whenever I am doing my household chores, so I feel that my daughter is somewhere, she is, she is somewhere
in
where
safe hands.
everybody take care her. So that time I don't
Mm,
have any kind of issues, and so that time I totally free. So in this way,
mm,
whenever I'm doing household chores, so that time sometimes I am doing talking with learners on audio call, and sometimes
mm,
I'm doing listening part, and as well as
mm,
with that time I am doing my self talk as well. So
mm,
yeah, in this way I am doing this thing, and whenever I am getting 10 minute, 15 minute in between 10 minute or 15 minute time, so that time I prefer myself for writing part, and then just ask to AI that check my grammar error and all, and then after whatever they suggested me, I start shadowing practice as well with that time, because day by day my kitchen has become my study room as well, because whenever I come to my bedroom, so that time every family members are there, like my daughter, my husband, and my mother-in-law as well. So
mm.
that time I can't read and do anything related to my English. So that is why I thought that this kitchen is
The
here
right place.
study room, and you have to learn all over the thing in this room. So that's why. And after
Yes.
coming, yeah, and after coming in bedroom, I am playing with my daughter, and whenever I feel that tired, so I go and take power nap little bit. So yeah.
Yeah. Actually, it happens with me also. I always do my listening in my kitchen room because the kitchen is a place where we can listen something doing our household chores as well.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
because we have to manage our time, we have to manage our studies, and we know that it is important. Sometimes passively, and sometimes actively we listen. It depends
Yes,
on time.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. And passively listening is also works a lot, because
Yes.
yeah, because there are two mind, conscious mind and
Mm,
unconscious mind. So for
mm,
example, whenever I am doing writing parts, so I'm not
mm,
thought about that I have to put a pen from the right hand. Not at all.
mm.
I just put a pen right hand and start writing. And what I have to write, so in this way I have to think. So in this way our conscious mind is work, and put the pen from
Mm.
the right hand. In this way our unconscious mind
Unconscious
works.
mind is working.
So
Yeah.
yeah, so it is a similar with that passive listening and active listening. So both of them work a lot, because when
Yes.
if we are talking about song, we never ever learn, but
Mm.
somehow we are easily sing a song. So in this way
Yes.
our
Because of
unconscious
our
mind is
passive listening.
working. Yes.
Yeah. Great.
Yes,
And one more thing is there. When we listen passively, after that we can give ourselves writing practice, because whatever we have listened passively, something or the other has been get registered in our subconscious mind, and that things we can jot down on paper. Yes.
yes, yes, absolutely. And writing is also works a lot. Initially, whenever I put a pen for writing, so I've thought that what should I have to do? What should I have to write? Because I don't know.
Mm,
Then I started just day by, daily routine. I started with daily routine, and
mm.
step by step, I come and cross. Yeah, I have to write on this topic, in that topic. So yeah,
Yes,
so
writing
it
is
goes.
also my favorite part. When it comes to writing, I always say to my learners as well, if you just want to write, you can write in bullets as well. Just write five or six headings. It is also going to add values in your writing. Because
Hmm.
if you are writing five bullets today, so next day you can add something more, and Finally, it would be represent in the form of a paragraph. Yes, and your interest will also be enhanced
Yes, yes, ma'am,
visually.
absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah, writing also helps. So, ma'am, what you are a teacher, so which standard do you teach?
Yeah, I teach up to class 8th.
Okay, that's great. So, it's an English subject?
I take GK and maths by now.
Okay. But
But
you,
as English has been my favorite subject, means before marriage I used to teach English also, but after marriage here, I am teaching GK and maths. And when it comes to that, how I am fulfilling my quest, so I am giving online classes to my learners, to my co-learners, yes, and
okay,
some students.
okay, that's